Welcome to Happy Kids Rhymes and Stories. Let's sing, learn, laugh, and enjoy amazing stories together. Are you ready? Let's go! Hello, friends! Let's learn fruit names. Are you ready?
Apple. Banana. Orange. Orange. Grapes. Watermelon. Strawberry. Whoa!
Pineapple! Mango! Hee!
Pear.
Peach. Kiwi. Cherry. Green apple. Green grapes. Wow! Woohoo!
Lemon. Coconut. Coconut. Blueberry. Raspberry.
Melon! Pomegranate! Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo! Plum! Apricot! Apricot!
Mulberry. Gooseberry. Gooseberry. Did you enjoy learning fruit names? Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.